Boise, Twin Falls, Boise approach 129919er. Looking for for a full stop. 1220. Mike.
I'm sorry, the aircraft calling. Say again, please. That was completely almost unreadable.
I understand. One for Papa Mike, one for two for Papa Mike, one for looking for 220. One for Papa Mike.
Number 14 Papa Mike, Big Sky Approach Squawk 0312.
Let's go 3219, turn left to Delta Alpha, the ramp, monitor ground.
Delta Alpha ramp, we'll monitor ground. Scouts 3219, good night.
20312, please say your altitude. November 14 Papa Mike, your radar contact, say your altitude and type aircraft.
We are 43,000, one for Papa Mike and experimental, one for Papa Mike 12.
Number 14 Papa Mike, I understand 4,400. Verify you have information, Juliet at Boise.
Have information, Juliet, Boise, Papa Mike.
Number 4 Papa Mike, roger, and say type aircraft. What type of aircraft are you?
We are Kitfox experimental, one for Papa Mike.
Number 14 Papa Mike, say your request.
We're going to be parking at Jackson's, one for Papa Mike.
Number 14 Papa Mike, make left traffic, runway 10 left.
Left traffic, 1010 left, Papa Mike.
Tower Skies 4730, ready at 10 left.
Boise Tower 118.1.
118.01, Papa Mike.
Number 14 Papa Mike, negative 118.1, 118.10.
118.0, Papa Mike.
Number 4 Papa Mike, negative, you're saying 0, it's November 1. Number 4 Papa Mike, it's 118.1.
118.1, one for Papa Mike. Boise Tower, experimental, one for Papa Mike. We're at, right now at 3,000.
Experimental 14 Papa Mike, Boise Tower, wind, calm, runway 10 left, clear to land.
10, left land, one for Papa Mike.
Number 4 Papa Mike, the Boise altimeter, 3035.
3035, one for Papa Mike.
Scouts 4730, Boise Tower, you ready to go?
We are, Skyway 4730.
Scouts 4730, traffic midfield, left downwind, Kitfox, runway 10 left, clear for takeoff.
10 left, clear for takeoff, Skies 4730.
Box 4 Papa Mike, traffic taking the runway for departure now and Ember.
I'm looking for that pack, for like that departure, one for Papa Mike.
Turn left on South
Oh, I
Orchard
gotta
Street.
take a picture. Nana wants a picture. Whoa. Plane
That's
just
4 Papa Mike,
crashed
Boise
right
Tower.
there.
They did?
Yeah, it is. Holy
Plane?
smokes.
Where?
Like a small
Box
little
14
plane.
Papa Mike, Boise Tower.
So I think that was?
Crash with this.
Where did it go?
It's out here in front of us.
Yeah, this
Box
guy is
14 Papa Mike, Boise Tower, how do you
Oh
hear?
my god.
Yeah, you see the little.
Are they okay?
Wow.
Big Sky approach, just 4787 Echo.
That guy's running.
Just 87 Echo,
So was
Big
that
Sky.
guy.
Yes, sir, was that,
That's a good idea.
was
That's
that,
not coming
frequency
to
for me?
Stop on the car.
Number 87 Echo,
No
negative.
kidding.
But then we're just like,
Can you see on final for Boise runway 10 left and right? Can you see if there's an aircraft maybe landed to the left or the right of final, just short of the airport? You're looking out. Sky 3992, Big Sky approach, and we just had to have to close the airport 10 left and 10 right. Plan on holding at Jimmy, and you can maintain 10,000 for now. Descend and maintain 10,000, fly present heading, and plan for holding at Jimmy, Jimmi.
Right, leveling at 10,000, And direct Jimmy now for the hold, Skywest 3992. Apologies, present heading, Skywest 3992.
Roger.